Hello and welcome to Stock Market Voyager. I am your host, Christy Kern, here to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of business and innovation through exclusive conversations with leading market voices. Our guest today is Chief Financial Officer of YY Group Holding Limited, Jason Phua. The company is traded on Nasdaq under the ticker YYGH. YY Group is headquartered in Singapore and delivers integrated facility management and workforce solutions powered by technology, automation, and data-driven insights. The company's mission is to combine people and innovation to create smarter, more efficient operations across industries. YY Group has been making major headlines lately, from international contract wins and acquisitions to new partnerships in AI, robotics, and fintech. Jason, thank you so much for being here. For viewers who might be new to YY Group, could you please start by introducing yourself and also giving us a brief overview of the company's background and how it has evolved into the tech-enabled organization it is today?
To share a bit on my background, I've been working with the group for about 6 years, seeing it transforming from an SME to a Nasdaq listed company in April 2024, with subsidiaries across 12 countries currently. The main inspirations of the group definitely comes from the founder, our CEO, Mike Fu, who always have the idea of transforming both the manpower outsourcing to a new era where technology will help in job matching through a cost-effective and efficient way. Also, facility management has been operating in a traditional way for many years, and we hope by using technology and robotic solution could help in managing the overall tedious process flow and challenges faced in this industry. YY Group begins with Mike initial start off by being the casual labor himself, and sometime later he saw the opportunity of such business model and therefore set up the company in year 2010. From then on, we have been incorporating new ideas with latest technology and AI to improve the overall process for our clients and users. We hope in the near future everyone can get a job at any time, anywhere in the world by using our application YY Circle.
So YY Group has really accelerated its growth this year, entering the Netherlands, adding new luxury hotel clients in Hong Kong and Thailand, and also acquiring pest fighter management in Singapore. How do these developments fit into your overall growth strategy, and what regions are you most focused on now?
Yes, we are definitely very excited on all the expansion done so far in this year. Our organic growth for gig worker job matching platform is now operating across 12 countries, while acquisition for related services in facility management enable us to move forward strategically as an integrated facility management, providing our clients a one-stop solution. Other acquisitions, which include Media Plus digital marketing, allows us to effectively promote our branding and marketing for the group. And cybersecurity under YY Smart Tech, on the other hand, ensure our data globally is well protected. We have been supporting and partnering with most of the international brands hotel chain for the past 15 years, which makes us unique and advantage in this area as we continue to expand into more overseas markets with our business model and technology platform. We are confident that business in Hong Kong, Thailand, and UAE will increase tremendously in this quarter to wrap up a good year 2025 for YY Group. We foresee an even better year for year 2026 with more businesses kickstart in our subsidiaries across various countries.
Managing operations across multiple regions and service lines can be complex. How do you ensure consistent quality and seamless integration between your divisions in cleaning, pest control, and manpower outsourcing as you continue to expand?
Right, it can be a very real challenge for us, especially when we are talking about 12 countries and even more as our group continues to grow further. One of the key points which enable us to overcome such challenge, I believe, is the strong fundamental base we have built for the past 15 years. Not only that, we have also centralized all our processes in our headquarters in Singapore. Constant training and making use of technology that create the framework to ensure the quality of work for all internal departments and service level toward clients are always kept at a higher standard.
The company has also been active in advancing technology from autonomous facade cleaning with UnoMove to AI powered service systems and even stable coin based payments for your workforce network. How does this innovation support YY Group's broader mission and what advantages does it provide for your clients and your employees?
Yep. We have noticed on the manpower shortage challenge faced by most countries. Therefore, we hope by recommending the right technology and robotic solution, these can actually provide alternative solutions for businesses and hopefully at the same time reduce their operating expenses. Taking our application as an example, YY Circle was developed with the main goal to create efficiency and transparency to both businesses and user in our platform. Businesses now are now able to get the right staff without any tedious hiring process. All the relevant data are captured real time, and business owners can now track all their staff expenses deployment with one click in our applications. Our users in our platform can now enjoy seamless process in selecting suitable jobs and getting paid on time. Introducing stablecoin payment in our platform is a strategic move as it creates confidence for these users as we move towards globally and ensuring payments can be made anywhere and anytime with our applications.
YY Group recently reported a 53% increase in revenue and also a nearly 100% gross profit growth in the first half of 2025. What's driving that impressive performance? And also, how do you plan to maintain momentum as the company continues to scale?
Yeah, thanks for that. Our half yearly financial are still currently under the final review by our auditors and were published by end October tentatively. At this point of time, comparing the June period for 2024 and 2025, we see an overall increase of about 36% in revenue with both internal growth and acquisition, each account 50% for such increase. Gross margin at the same time has also increased close to 80% as we continue to manage the cost for the business operations. As recalled earlier, we have centralized most of our corporate staff overheads in Singapore, which is operating at the optimum level currently. All the overseas subsidiaries are operating by using a lean team to drive the sales and operations. We are confident that with such working model, we will continue to see the year-on-year increase in sales at an exponential rate without compromising the overall net profit for the group. Therefore, what is critical for us now is to continue to venture into more overseas market with our business model and technology platform to achieve the desired result.
Let's turn to one of the topics investors have been most curious about your recent fundraising round that included shares and warrants at around 60 cents. So, some investors asked the company, why would the company raise capital at that level? Can you explain the reasoning behind that decision and how these funds will support YY Group's growth and long term strategy?
Yeah. First, I want to thank every investor and partner for their continued trust in YY Group. We value the confidence you place in us, and we take seriously the responsibility of managing that trust. We do know that the recent fundraising and subsequent share price reaction have raised understandable questions. The decision to proceed with the fundraising was made with careful considerations. Market conditions for small and mid-cap companies remain selective, with investors showing greater caution with liquidity often concentrated in larger issuer. Within this environment, our priority was to secure committed capital in a timely manner, ensuring that our execution momentum would not be disrupted. Completing the raise at this stage provides stability to our balance sheet and position us to move forward confidently with the upcoming milestone and expansions.
You also made several updates to the board of directors recently. What do these changes mean for corporate governance, transparency, and also investor confidence as YY Group expands globally?
Yes, we would like to make use of this opportunity to thank Andrew Lai and Haibo, who have recently resigned from the independent director role due to their personal commitment. They have been very supportive of our business for the past 1.5 years. To that, we would like to extend our biggest appreciation to them. Moving forward, we will have Nicholas Nor, who is a Singapore qualified lawyer, by training and board accredited director with over 15 years of experience in litigations, regulatory enforcement, and corporate governance. Next, we have Lim Kai Chin, who is a seasoned finance professional with a long career spanning corporate finance, private equity, hedge fund operation, audit, and investor relations. We believe with their on board as an independent director in YY Group, we will continue to strengthen our corporate governance and deliver our commitment to all our investors and partners.
Looking ahead to 2026 and beyond, what are your top priorities for YY Group? And what message would you like to share with your shareholders and prospective investors who are following your journey?
We will continue to focus closely on the AI and robotic solution to provide better user experience and interface, and at the same time expand globally with our expertise. On behalf of the management team, YY Group remains committed to deploying capital with discipline, strengthen our foundation, and delivering measurable value for shareholders. I am confident in the future of YY Group, and we will continue to communicate openly as we execute our plan and share the progress along the way. Thank you.
Jason Phua, CFO of YY Group Holding Limited, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your insights today. For more information, please visit ir.yygroupholding.com. We look forward to seeing how YY Group continues to grow and innovate across global markets. Thank you so much for watching Stock Market Voyager. I'm Christy Kern, and we'll see you next time.